In software like Stata or SPSS, if you want to conduct an analysis or create a plot, then you'll open up a dialog box, you'll change a bunch of settings, and then press OK. That's not how Radiant works. So suppose I want to create some plots. As soon as I select a variable to create a histogram for, it'll be created. Right? So there's not a separate dialog box. If I change the selection of variables, you'll see that the plot changes. So this can be very nice as I want to quickly and interactively explore my data and visualize it. However, suppose that I want to create multiple plots. I can do that quite easily. So I press Shift and the arrow use the down arrow keys. And every time I change the selection, the plots shown change. Now that can be inefficient because you'll notice that as I change, each time all the plots are recreated. So I can select this a bit more efficiently. For example, I can just scroll down to the last variable that I want, hit Shift, and then click on the variable, and then the plots that I'm looking for will only be created once. Okay. That's just a matter of selecting a bit more efficiently. But suppose I want to select different variables and then change some other settings as well. And I don't want the plots to be created multiple times, right? So suppose I have quite a large data set. There's an option in all of the data tabs, like View, Visualize, and so on. I can pause the generation of output. So if I click that, I can make changes. So for example, I want to create a line plot of the cut of the diamond versus price. So you notice that as I'm making changes, nothing is changing here on the right. And I'm going to split that by clarity, and for color I'm going to choose also clarity. All right, so the inputs change depending on the type of plot that I change, but the plot is actually not regenerated until I uncheck pause plotting. Right? And here's the plot that is generated. So especially if you have larger data sets, or if you want to make multiple changes to the inputs, select pause plotting, make your changes, and when you're done, uncheck it.